Haya, tumesikia wisdom. Now, when we were in court trying to ask the Inspector General, I beg you listen to me. When we were demanding the presence of the Inspector General of Police and the DCI, Mr. Amin, to come to court and produce dead or alive the young students, the young Kenyans who were abducted. When they eventually showed up, of course they were mattered around and the matter continued. But we know the people of Isiolo, for example, day before yesterday, people of Isiolo have come out as champions for democracy. They were able to tell Mr. Ruto right in his live kwa kumwambia aende nyumbani. Now, do you know what he has done after that? Unajua alikuwa na argue akisema uwezi kushindana na serikali. Now, sikiza, as we speak, over 200 young people in Isiolo have been arrested for exercising again the right of expression under the Constitution, freedom of expression. I have asked an advocate Njiru and human rights people on the ground in Isiolo tomorrow to make sure they're in court and get all of them released. Because they must, people of Isiolo must exercise their full constitutional right. When that one is mama na wao.